Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the Wandering Wilson channel. I am Danielle Wilson, obviously. Managed to source, as you can probably see here, some foam for the bed, and it was free. Reason why it was free is because I searched high and low for this foam. Foam is expensive. I didn't realise how expensive it was. It was looking for like a double-sized bed piece, was going to be like 100 quid if I was going to get it cut to size. So I thought, right, I'll go on things like Marketplace and like these sites where you can buy things for second hand. And I thought, surely someone's got like a Z bed or a futon bed or a fold out bed that they don't need anymore. So basically I searched high and low and I found someone who was giving a fold away bed for free, and it had this mattress on it, which has really thick foam. We're just going to throw away the metal frame and just keep the foam for the bed. So let's get to it.
Are you ready?
Because my bed folds back into the boot of the car, my cushions also need to fit on top of this. What I'm doing here is cutting out each foam piece so that they can fit nice and tight in the back. Two seats. That's to go over the table. Leftovers. Top bit. These cushions are gonna need some covers. So I'm gonna make them from scratch using some material that I found in our sewing room. Each piece of material needs to be overlocked with an overlocking machine. I'm then going to add a zip into one side and make the corners of the cushion. The moment of truth. Did I do it right? Take the pins out. Oh. I've sewn that to there. Bloody hell. I think I may have done it. We'll just have to find out if it fits on the foam. I made a cushion! My first cushion ever. Bloody corners are hard work. Another day, another dollar. The bed seat covers I'm gonna go and cut now, and then I need to assemble them basically, and then we need to find a way of figuring out how to get like thermal window covers. There are a lot of windows and they are quite big, so I need to have a little think about that one. Then my mum's gonna go in the loft because she said that there is like a stove in there, camping stove and a kettle and things like that. It's gonna be super handy for my little road trips whenever I get to go on them. It's coming together very nicely. This is a new hairstyle I'm going for today. Might make me look about 12. I don't know, let's just roll with it. When you're cutting out your material pieces, make sure you leave ½ an inch on each side to allow for your seam. The hardest part is actually getting the foam into the cushion cover. Thankfully, this clip is fast forwarded because it took me absolutely ages. Bit of a measuring issue. I don't know what's gone on here. It won't fit in.
Just want some board here.
Flip it up, yeah.
She's in, she's lying down. Is it comfy?
Definitely not for anyone taller than 6 foot.
Yeah, sorted.
Good. Looks good. I think. Nearly done.
Nearly done.
Just about.
Yeah.
If you did like this video, please give it a like, comment down below if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from here on out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.